Hello and welcome again. In this session, we are going to discuss about the concept of merging a cell and wrapping the text. This is a very important function because when we are creating some data, we need to merge lots of cells together, and we might have to use some kind of wrapping where the cell is not enough to fit the text or letters. So let's see how these things are happening. First, we discussed about wrapping a text. Now, if suppose I'm going to write sales example, I'm just writing sales employee, sales employee, sales employee. Now you can see that when I enter the sales employee, it's going to next cell. I might increase the cell size to this one, but I do not want. I just want this much of size. Or I can just write some name. Let's say I'm writing sales for the month of July. Now you can see we have a very big text here, small text. Now one option, I can resize it if I need, but I just don't need to write some numbers here. For these small numbers, I do not want that the text size, the cell size should be of this much. We do not want, that's why we need to reduce it. In this case, what we can do, we select the text, select the headings or the text that you want to wrap it. Go to the home tab. In home tab, we have, you can see option of wrap text option. Maybe you can just check your laptop or the PC. In some laptop and PC, when you're installing some MS Office software, you might not get this word written like wrap text, but find this option like AB_C. Check these options. When you select a text and when you click this one, automatically it gets wrapped and fit to the same cell by adjusting the height of the row. You can see this. And then you can make it center or like that. Same case, if I select here, I click it and wrap the text. This way you can use the wrapping functions, okay, which will help, very helpful. Sometimes I need to write, let's say Jan, okay, then I will make a space, suppose Feb, okay, I'll do it in different cell, okay, Jan, Feb, and I want to write March, okay, same. Now if I want to do this one all together, it won't work. So what I can do, reduce it and wrap text. We have a Jan, Feb and March together like this. This way also you can enter. Or there is another option to do this, not for wrapping text, but if you want to write the same Jan, Feb and March, because now you can see if I increase, it won't work properly. So sometimes we need to write January, Feb and March in the same cell. So we have option. You can just type Jan, press Alt and then press Enter. Select Alt and then Enter. Alt Enter will create a next line. We'll move to the next line. Then write Feb, same Alt Enter and write MAR, March or March, whatever. When you click it, it will be. So in this case, even if you increase this height, the width of the cell, it will be in the same rows. So you have two options. Either you can enter by pressing the enter button, or just by adjusting it and using the wrap function to fit the text. Okay, like that. So first option is about wrapping the text and working with that. Next option is about merging a cell. Okay, merging a cell. Suppose I want that I want sales of the employee or sales record for the month or for the, you can say, year 2024. Now here I might have something maybe called product. Okay, I might have a quantity field, I might have a price or cost field. Okay, like that I want to create some data here. Okay, like this. But if I want to merge, if you see, when I enter, it is only in the first cell, not in the second, third. Look wise, the display wise look like that, but actually it's not. So you can select this option and go to the home tab. We have a merge and center option. Just click this button and it will be merged and it will become one single cell. Okay, so like that you can create and you can merge it and then you can arrange it. All the cells together, merge together. So this is one way you can merge. Another way, suppose I want to merge this whole line. Okay, I can select it and I can merge it. Now it become one. But from here to here, if I want to merge all together, then one option, you can select this and then you can just drag it and it will work for you. Okay, but it might not work every time. Okay, so what we can do, we can select this option, okay, and select the option. Let's say from here to here you want to merge it together. So select this option, go to this arrow, and here we have option merge across the selection. So in this selection horizontally it will merge all the rows. You can see all we have in one single click. From here to here we have single cell. Okay, this way also you can use the merge functions, because it's very important when you're writing some text and even selecting these things. Okay, so I hope this wrapping text is a very easy function where you can fit your text according to your requirements, and you can use merge function. Okay, if you want to unmerge, okay, one more thing, if you want to unmerge, you can select, you can unmerge it, you can select, you can unmerge it. In between, if you are entering any rows, sorry, column, it will be like this. So even you can make it multiple merge, like one merge, two merge, we have one cell like this, and then another we have one. Okay, so again you can merge, unmerge, and like that. So maybe one cell like this, second cell maybe like, you can say this one, like this type of second cell will be there. So half. So it depends upon how you want to merge, how you want to show the data in your sheet. Okay, merging options. So merge and unmerge. If you click one time, it will merge. If you click one more time, it will unmerge all the cell. If you want to add more functions, so you can use merge again, because sometimes you enter three cells. Maybe I want to add some more. Maybe I want to add some text. Now I want to add some text, but it is not in there. So you can select these two together. First one time, click this, so it will unmerge, and then when you press one more time, it will merge together with these records. Then you can add something over it. So from here to here, you will have one single cell for your text column, right? So I hope you understand the concept of merging the cells, merging the rows and columns, or how you can merge the cells together, and how you can use the wrap functions within the cell, right? See you again in our next session. Till then, thank you.